Welcome back to our channel. We're so glad you're here. Today we have a great story. Let's read.
Once upon a time, a girl named Lily lived in a tiny house made of a giant pumpkin. Lily helped her neighbors by picking sweet berries in the sunshine. One day, a beautiful fox with fur like shiny silver ran past her. It dropped a tiny, glowing key on the grass. Lily followed the fox and discovered a forest where the leaves were made of colorful glass, and they chimed like tiny bells in the wind.
She met a giant named Mossy. He gave Lily a jar of moon juice.
Thank you, Mossy.
The giant named Mossy and the fox disappeared. The woods became dark and spooky. Lily held up her jar of moon juice. The bright light scared the shadows away and kept her safe. Lily found a castle floating in the sky, tied down by golden ribbons. She used her silver key and stepped inside. Inside, she found a silver seed. She took the magical seed and walked through the forest and found her way to home.
Lily came home and planted the magical silver seed in her garden.
The next day, the seed grew into a tree that grew cookies instead of fruits. Everyone in the village was happy and full as they can eat cookies every day from Lily's cookie tree.
Let's meet back with another beautiful story. Subscribe for more videos.